He found out about me at a bar. True. Okay, this is my favorite part about my model today. He did not bring his little jar of gunk. But don't worry, this is my all-time favorite, you guys. Look at that. Oh, man. I mean, what is better in life than just getting in between the lateral fold on the big toe and pulling out treasure? You know we save that stuff around here. And the great part is my model actually has his last one too. So next time he comes, he's gonna bring it and we're gonna combine them. I said when we get it completely free, half price pedicures. That's a joke for all those who are like, really? That's a great idea. So these are just dead skin cells that are broken down, dog hair, skin. Okay. Does that feel okay? Now, I don't usually spray the toenails with softener because if I'm applying product, I don't want the skin to continue to just like break down these dead skin cells. But if I know my client is having like involution and I'm gonna thin out this lateral fold, then I will. So since I knew we were closing, ooh, look at that, we got some sock. Look at that. Dang, so you guys might notice this big macaroni noodle on top. That's actually Onyfix. Onyfix is a nail correction system. So my model has said his entire life he has had involuted nails that were really painful. True or false?
True.
True. He found out about me at a bar. True? Yeah, at the bar, because he was taking his shoe off. And he then texted me, another client, and said, hey, I'm at the bar. Can I give this other guy your number? Because he says his toes have always hurt. So I ran into my model. I said, yeah, I'll do you, but here's the thing. I become your toe. You're going to be my model. Don't mess with your toes, or I will intentionally cut you. He said, okay. So a year later, what's your comfort level with your toenails?
They're good, no pain.
And when's the last time you felt no pain?
Never.
Never! You guys, it took us a year process. So you know what? Trust the process. He's got another one on right now. Just because we're just going to see how straight we can get this toenail. He's more like my experiment. But for the most part, at this point, my client, he has taken all of my feedback. I tell him to change his shoes when he's working on his feet every day. Guess what he does? He got another pair of shoes. He rotates his shoes. He sprays his shoes. He's taking care of his foot care. This is my ideal client, someone that I can feel good about offering foot care solutions, and he actually takes my advice so that his overall health is good. Yeah, but look, it's we're filling up our little jar. Who gets to say they get to take their toenail brie home? This is an add-on service. Some people do nail art. All right, maybe I'm taking it a little too far. I'm very slow at first as I'm opening it up. I don't want to hurt anybody. And I'm also up here being really gentle in the sinus area. And I'm not constantly starting up here. I'm starting where I know all the funk is. The funk is towards the free edge. Oh, this one's not giving us as much as we had on the other one. Let's move over here. Oh yeah, this is what we want. Did you think that this band was gonna work?
Yeah, you told me it would. You said trust the process.
And you did, and you showed up regularly and trust the process. I'm trying to get that piece right there. Oh yeah. Hey baby. Let's go ahead. Gonna just cut this toenails. Look at that. Well, you know what we gotta do with that, Pat? Put it in the jar. Will you look at that? Will you look at that? If that's not a Disney souvenir, I don't know what is.
Nice.
You should see their faces right now. It's great. They're just like, Erica, you are your own breed. And I know there's other people out there that literally are up watching this at 1 a.m. and they wish they got to do it.